Want to make extra cash? Looking for a side hustle? Fiverr is your answer. It's a global online marketplace where people offer services called gigs, starting at $5. It's a great way to make money online. No matter your skills, Fiverr has a place for you. Let's dive in. Fiverr connects freelancers with buyers. Freelancers offer services and buyers purchase these services or gigs. Easy. Create a profile, showcase your skills, list your gigs, set your prices, buyers find you, place orders, you deliver, they pay. Fiverr handles the transactions. Safe and secure. Fiverr offers a huge variety of services. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there's a place for you on this platform. Writing, graphic design, video editing, and more. The possibilities are endless, and the demand is ever growing. Popular gigs include writing and translation like articles, blog posts, website content, translations. Writers can offer services ranging from creative writing to technical documentation, ensuring that every niche is covered. Graphic design such as logos, social media graphics, illustrations, book covers. Designers can also delve into branding, creating cohesive visual identities for businesses and individuals alike. Video and animation, including video editing, animation, explainer videos, logo animations. From short promotional clips to full-length animations, the scope for creativity is vast. Digital marketing like social media management, SEO, email marketing. Digital marketers can help businesses grow their online presence, drive traffic, and increase sales through targeted campaigns. Music and audio such as voiceovers, songwriting, mixing, mastering. Musicians and audio professionals can offer their expertise to create high-quality audio content, from podcasts to full music productions. Additionally, there are gigs in web development and programming. Developers can create websites, mobile apps, and offer IT support, catering to the ever-evolving tech landscape. Business services are also in high demand. This includes business consulting, financial planning, and virtual assistance, helping businesses streamline operations and achieve their goals. Lastly, lifestyle services such as online tutoring, life coaching, and fitness training are gaining popularity. These gigs allow professionals to share their knowledge and skills with a global audience. No matter your skill set, Fiverr provides a platform to showcase your talents and connect with clients worldwide. Start exploring the endless opportunities today. Section 4. Building your Fiverr empire. Creating a standout profile. Your profile is your storefront. Make it shine. Use a professional photo. Write a catchy bio. Highlight your skills. Showcase your best work in your portfolio. Use keywords relevant to your gigs. This helps buyers find you easily. Section 5. From zero to hero, getting your first Fiverr orders. Starting your journey on Fiverr can be both exciting and daunting. But with the right strategies, you can quickly go from zero to hero. Getting those first few orders is key. They set the foundation for your future success on the platform. The initial orders help you build credibility and gain momentum. Here's how. Offer competitive prices. When you're just starting out, it's crucial to price your services attractively. This doesn't mean undervaluing your work, but rather setting a price that entices buyers to give you a chance. Start low to attract buyers. Promote your gigs. Share your Fiverr profile and gigs on social media platforms, relevant forums, and with your personal network. The more visibility you get, the higher the chances of landing those first orders. Share on social media, forums, and with your network. Deliver exceptional work. Once you get an order, it's time to shine. Put in your best effort to deliver high-quality work that exceeds your clients' expectations. Impress buyers with high-quality work. Request feedback. After delivering your work, kindly ask your clients for feedback. Positive reviews are gold on Fiverr. Positive reviews build trust and attract more buyers. Be responsive. The more positive reviews you accumulate, the more trust you build with potential buyers. This trust translates into more orders. Answer messages promptly and be professional. Communication is key. Respond to inquiries quickly and maintain a professional tone. This shows potential buyers that you are reliable and serious about your work. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful Fiverr freelancer. Section 6. Fiverr Success Stories. Real people, real money. Fiverr has become a platform where dreams turn into reality, where individuals from all walks of life find opportunities to showcase their talents and skills. Many people have found success on Fiverr. From the comfort of their homes, they have built thriving careers and businesses. Let's dive into some inspiring stories of real people who have made real money on Fiverr. Here are a few examples. The writer. Meet Sarah, a passionate writer who always dreamed of making a living through her words. A freelance writer started on Fiverr. Sarah began her journey by offering her writing services on Fiverr, taking on small projects and gradually building her portfolio. Now she earns a full-time income writing website content. Through dedication and hard work, Sarah has transformed her passion into a sustainable career. The graphic designer. A college student used Fiverr to sell logo designs. Meet Alex, a talented graphic designer who started his journey while still in college. He now runs his own design agency. Alex's creativity and unique style quickly caught the attention of clients, allowing him to expand his services and eventually establish his own design agency. The virtual assistant. A stay-at-home mom offered virtual assistant services. Meet Lisa, a stay-at-home mom who wanted to contribute to her family's income while managing her household responsibilities. She now manages multiple clients, bringing in extra income. Lisa's organizational skills and dedication have allowed her to build a successful virtual assistant business, managing multiple clients and bringing in a steady stream of income. These stories are just a glimpse of the countless success stories on Fiverr, where real people are making real money by leveraging their skills and talents. Section 7. Take the leap. Your Fiverr journey starts now. Fiverr is an incredible platform. It empowers anyone to become their own boss. It doesn't matter your background or experience. With hard work, dedication, and a bit of hustle, you can achieve your financial goals. Start your Fiverr journey today.